Hello, I'm Michael and I produce my music from home. I'm a remote worship and gospel session guitarist from Kenya. My phone numbers are 0792544905. This is what I have just produced and you can feel it. I have just organized it in Audacity. Audacity is a free DAW where we can organize our work. I'm now muting the rest of the line so that you feel what the song is all about. You can now feel the bass, the drums, how I've just done the work here. You can just feel it. But again, when I unmute the guitar line, you can also feel what the guitar line is doing. That is now the lead guitar put on the higher end of things. That's the lead guitar. Now let's see how I ended the song. And before I ended the song, I relaxed the song first. How do I relax it? And now I end the song in a very nice. That is how I do my recordings. And if you feel that you can hire me for this work, I'm able to do it for churches, do it for music ministers, and do it for any artist who is in need of my services. Thank you very much.